What is up, YouTube? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks, back at it again with yet another shoe video. I've said that in a minute, but welcome back, bro. Welcome back to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And y'all know what came out today: the Air Jordan 13 red flints. They look just like the flints, but they red. So we gonna see what they looking like. Y'all already know what we do every single mall vlog. We gonna go to the store, we gonna pick them up, we gonna come back to the crib, see what they like in hand, see we gonna keep them, we gonna hold them, we gonna sell them, resell predictions, all that good stuff down below. If y'all, if y'all been tuning to the channel, y'all already know what we do every single release. Took a little bit of break, but we back at it. I promise we back at it. But make sure y'all subscribe, y'all hit the comment section, y'all turn on post notification bells, and y'all, subscribe to the channel, because we're bringing them bangers every single release. Man, we got the UNC 4s on the way, for y'all that want to see that. But this video we talk about the red Flint 13s, bro. We gonna see. I don't know, I'm on the fence about them because I'm picking up a lot of shoes, but we gonna see. I like them and we gonna keep them. So without further ado, let's head to the mall and let's get it. Let's go. And we are back at the crib. As you can see, we got the Chance bag right here. We got the Foot Locker bag somewhere around over there. But man, I cannot wait to look at these shoes. I ain't even get a sneak peek at the shoes because I wanted to, unbox with y'all. So man, let's go ahead and get open this shoe. So let's get it. Let's go. So boom, as you can see, we got the regular Air Jordan 13 box, the regular Flint 13s, the regular, normal 13 box that we normally always get with our, with our Jordans. And we got right here the regular, regular red Jumpman with a little circle on the outline, nothing crazy on the shoe. Size tag right here, my size, Air Jordan 13 retro. As you can read, the colorway reads Gem red, black, Flint gray, and white, with another look right there, Yeah, so let's just get into these shoes. Y'all know the white paper right here, no cement print on this, regular Jordan 13 paper. And we peeled this down, and there you guys have it. Ooh, if I can see it on camera, the Air Jordan 13 Flint grays. Let me pull it out real quick. So boom, there you guys have it. I'm gonna give you a quick little 360 of the shoe, Air Jordan 13 Flints. And first impression, these are fire. These are live. This isn't your regular red. This is that deep dark red on the outside. So not your true red. Like this is that deep red. Like they made it darker and stuff like that. Let's start from the bottom. So the bottom, you got a regular Jordan 13 pods with the red sticker right here, not the green sticker that we're accustomed to in a lot of our 13s. Coming to the front, we got our white pods right here, so we'll get kind of dirty, and our black end on the inside with our carbon fiber, right here. Going to the regular pods of the shoe right here, it's white pods, so yeah, it's gonna get kind of dirty on the toe box area as well, with our red on this inner side. And our gray little mud guard right here on the midsole, coming back down to the bottom of the shoe, surrounds the shoe on this inner side of the 13s. Y'all know how 13s go. Leading up here, we got our, pretty sure it's 3M. Every 13 I have is 3M, so I'm pretty sure this isn't the same. I mean, it's not going to be different. It's 3M up here. Going in on this side as well, the 3M is going to splash when you turn that brightness up and you put the, the camera flash on or whatever. Going into this side, we got our inside here. It's like kind of orange. It's our regular thing. With the the tiger eye, panther eye, whatever you want to call it right here. The white sole on the inside with our red Jumpman. So first things first, this is definitely gonna get dirty with the as you can see on the inside, the toe box area is white. The pods right here are white. The bottom mostly is all white. So this shoe's definitely gonna get dirty if you're not taking care of it. So make sure you're taking care of your shoe, because you don't want to have no dirty or yellowed or brown outsoles. It's gonna it's gonna take away from the cleanliness and the the smoothness of the shoe. But going back to the shoe, so we got our right here is white with our black Jumpman right here. Kind of weird that they don't really have black on touches on most of the shoe besides the bottom, but it's a good little touch. I like it because it also does match here with the Jordan. You flip it down, we got our 13 right here, let you know you got a Jordan 13 on deck. Resale predictions, I seen right now they probably go around 255, 260. You know, sizes definitely range in price, but personally, I do feel these shoes, you know, it's a hood shoe. You know, people say 13s are a hood shoe. Like the Flints, when they first came out, they sold out for sure because they're, you know, OG colorway. But they were like 250 or 240, and then now, you know, they rise up in prices like that. People are gonna definitely like come back to this shoe because, you know, people just love the red color. Like, it looks like something Jordan would wear. It just looks like it. It's a comfortable shoe. You can wear it with pants, you can wear it with shorts. People just love 13, so I feel like people would definitely come sleep. After they've been sleeping, they'll come back to the shoe and they definitely wish they could have it. But you know, the price just done went up. So I feel like personally, if you got a shoe for retail, what I would do, I wouldn't hold this shoe too long. Just get your 250 and go on to the next shoe. There's better shoes to hold. But this shoe is definitely good colorway. So if you got this for the retail, for the personal, you will not be, you know, let's say your shoe's coming in from Sneakers or Hibbett or whatever it's coming from, you will not be disappointed. This is a great shoe to have in your collection. You know, I like what Jordan Brand did with this type of shoe. You know, they do a lot of reds to blues and blues to reds, but you know, this one, I like it. I like this type of shoe. But yeah, that's really my review on the shoe. Nothing too crazy. I'll give you the one little 360 of the shoe again. Let me know down below if you was able to score on the draw sneakers app. I didn't hit. I never hit on the draw. I never hit on draws. I could barely hit on the regular system. And that's like 3 minutes. But now it's 10 minutes, I was really not finna hit. But let me know if you was able to hit on these for retail or you're gonna pay that resale value. Let me know down below if you're also gonna go after any of these extra shoes that are coming out. So whether the 11 lows, the women's, the citrus, or the legend blues, or you know, any other shoes, Shadow 2.0s, all these other shoes coming out. 2021 is going crazy, and you know, we're gonna bring the releases. We're gonna bring them here. We're gonna bring the bangers every single release, man. You already know what we're gonna do. So I really appreciate y'all for tuning into the channel. Let me know down below your comments on the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bells, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to pull up to the channel. And you know, I'll see y'all in a later video. So I got the shoes right here. I'm AJ got kicks. And we out.
I just might pull up in robes, chopper make you hit the wall. Shawty got eye when I'm high, so they low. I ain't no Cherokee, but I told pose.